The wedding that turned into eternal enmity. This is a story that begins with a joyful wedding and a peaceful atmosphere, but ends in betrayal, broken trust, and everlasting hostility. A fox in need of help, a crocodile who showed kindness, and a wedding that sparked an eternal conflict. One day, the fox's sister was getting married. The fox wanted to attend her sister's wedding, celebrate, sing, and cheer loudly. But unfortunately, the fox had no tongue with which to sing or celebrate. So she began going from one animal to another, asking to borrow a tongue. First, she went to the elephant and said, "Elephant, I ask you to lend me your tongue so I can celebrate at my sister's wedding." The elephant refused. Then she went to the lion and said, "Lion, king of the jungle, I ask you to lend me your tongue so I can sing and celebrate at my sister's wedding." Just like the elephant, the lion refused. After visiting many animals without success, she finally saw a crocodile lying by the riverbank. She approached him and said, "Crocodile, my sister is getting married. I want to celebrate and sing at her wedding, but I have no tongue. I kindly ask you to lend me your tongue. I promise I will return it." Fortunately, the crocodile agreed and lent her his tongue, but he warned her firmly, "You must return my tongue as quickly as possible." The fox took the crocodile's tongue and went to her sister's wedding. She celebrated, sang, and cheered all night long. But after the wedding ended, the fox did not return the tongue. The crocodile waited patiently, expecting her to come back. The other animals asked the fox, "Why haven't you returned the crocodile's tongue?" The fox replied, "For a long time, the food I eat has had no taste. Therefore, I will not return the tongue." It is said that to this day, the crocodile remains without a tongue, swallowing his food without chewing. After this act, the fox completely avoided places with water, fearing that the crocodile might kill her. Meanwhile, the crocodile continues to search for the fox everywhere, determined to reclaim his tongue. Moral of the story. This short story teaches us a deep lesson. Never repay kindness with betrayal. Leave a comment with one lesson you learned from this story.